We will never retreat. We will revenge the blood of our martyrs. The revenge will be always there, not only for the late supreme leader, but also for the blood of every single Iranian citizen who lost his life or her life because of this war. We have concrete indications that we will revenge for the blood of all our martyrs. The Iranian blood is very precious, particularly the blood of children and women. That's why the crimes of the enemies in Minab school and some other places will be severe for the enemies, and they will pay the price. The wounded people must receive free and best treatment. They must enjoy certain privileges. The current situation must be dealt with through offering some financial compensations for those who have suffered the damage. I would like also to say that this is our duty. This is our duty to help the people. And under any circumstances, under any situation, the enemies will pay the price. They will pay the price. They will pay the price. We will take the revenge, and we will destroy their facilities that equals the compensation that we need. We have good relations with 15 neighboring countries, and we are always willing to develop these relationships with our neighboring countries. But the enemy has certain military bases in some of these countries and have used these bases to attack us. We have warned before that without attacking these bases, the enemy will continue their aggression. We are forced to continue the interests and the bases of the enemies, but we still have good relationships and friendship with the neighboring countries. Those who killed our children will pay the price. My advice is to stop these bases from operating. We need to do that because the enemies are saying lies and are telling lies. Those who cooperate with these directions and directives must be fully aware. The regime in the Islamic Republic of Iran is not a colonial regime. We need to be unified. We need to have good relations